2026 is already shaping up to be the year full of opportunities. And if you are someone who wants to become financially free or live life on your own terms or even quit that 9 to 5 job one day, then this video is just for you. Today we are going to talk like friends, and I'll walk you through 14 of the best side hustles you can start in 2026 even if you are a completely beginner. These aren't just ideas. I'm going to explain each one in detail so you can exactly know what to do, how to do it, and which one might be right for you. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is by far one of the most flexible and beginner friendly side hustles. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it super easy to sell your skills, and no, you don't need to be a tech genius. Maybe you are good at graphic designing, video editing, voiceovers, writing, social media, or whatever it is. There's someone out there who willing to pay for it. Start by picking one skill. Let's say you want to sell logo designing services. You can learn it on YouTube for free. Create a Fiverr gig like I will design minimalist logo, and boom, you're in the game. And the best part is that you can set your own hours. You can do it after school, after work, or even late at night. Number 2. Content writing. If you can write in clear and simple English, then this one's for you. Thousands of businesses need blog posts, emails, or product descriptions, and they'll pay you to write them. You don't need to be a perfect writer, you just need to write in a way that connects with the reader. Start by offering your services on platforms like ProBlogger, Upwork, and even LinkedIn. Create a few samples, or maybe write 2 or 3 blogs on your favorite topics, and you are good to go. Plus, writing for others builds skills, and who knows that one day you start your own blog that earns passive income too. Number 3. Social media management. Imagine getting paid to scroll Instagram, post reels, and reply to comments. This sounds unreal, right? But that's exactly what social media managers do. Small businesses, personal brands, or even startups are looking for someone to manage their accounts. If you understand trends, hashtag, captions, and content, you can do this. You just need to know how to post consistently, engage with audience, and maybe use tools like Canva and later for scheduling. You can even reach out to your local businesses in your area and offer them to manage their Instagram and Facebook page for $200 to $500 a month. You just need 3 or 4 clients and you are set. Number 4. Selling digital products. Now this one's powerful because it's a passive income. Let's say you design a Notion template, a fitness guide, a budgeting spreadsheet, something digital that people download and use. You upload it on Gumroad and Payhip, and every time someone buy it, you make money without even lifting your finger. It's like create once and sell forever. It might take effort in the beginning, like designing, testing, promoting, but once it's up and running, it's one of the best way to earn money while you are sleeping. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. If you have ever shared a product link with a friend, then congrats, you have already done affiliate marketing. But here's how you make money from it. Sign up for affiliate program like Amazon Associate, ClickBank, or share a sale, and you will get a unique link for any product. Then you have to share that link through blog, YouTube video, Instagram post, and every time someone buys from your link, you will get a commission. You don't need millions of followers. Even a small email list and niche audience can make you earn $500 to $1,000 a month consistently. Number 6. YouTube automation. This is for those who want to grow on YouTube without showing their face. Here's how it works. You write a script, use AI voiceover or hire voiceover artists, get stock footage or animation, edit the video, then upload it. You can even outsource everything. There are channels making thousands per month doing the same in the niches like finance, motivation, and health. Just focus on high CPM niches like tech. This is a long term game, but the potential of this passive income is insane. Number 7. Voiceover work. Now listen to me. Did you got a nice voice? Then you could also make a money by reading scripts. Voiceover jobs are everywhere, like YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, and even online courses. You don't need a fancy studio. You just need a good USB mic, a quiet room, and a free software like Audacity. Put your samples on voices.com, Fiverr, and even directly pitch to YouTubers who need narration. If you practice and deliver good audio, this can turn into a $1,000 a month side hustle. Number 8. Instagram theme pages. This one's underrated. You basically create a page around a niche like court, luxury, fashion, or fitness and grow it with viral content. Once you hit the 10k subscribers, brands will start reaching out to you for promotions, shoutouts, and collabs. You can also sell your own products or use affiliate links. It's like building your own little media brand. You can use tools like CapCut, Canva, and Trending Reels Audio to grow fast in 2026. Number 9. Online tutoring. If you are good at any subject like maths, English, science, coding, then there are students out there who need your help. Websites like Preplay, Check Tutors, or even Facebook groups are full of parents and students who are looking for tutors. You can start by offering one-on-one sessions through Zoom and Google Meet. Charge $10 to $30 per hour depending on your skill level. You don't need to be a certified teacher. You just need to be helpful and good at explaining. Number 10. Remote customer service. Big companies are always hiring remote reps to handle emails, chats, and calls. You don't need a college degree, just a calm voice, typing speed, and willingness to help people. Looking for jobs on Indeed, remote.co, and we work remotely. If you are looking for stability with flexibility, then this is perfect for you. This may not be entrepreneurial, but it pays bills and done from anywhere. Number 11. Transcription. If you are a good listener and can type fast, transcription might be your thing. Websites like Rev, Transcribe Me, or Go Transcript pay you to convert audio into text. The faster and more accurately you work, the more you earn. It's great for introverts, students, and people who like to work alone and at their own pace. Number 12. Selling photos and graphics online. If you're a bit creative, love photography and graphic design, then trust me, this hustle is for you. Take your photos and design and upload it to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Itch.io for things like wall arts, printable, etc. You don't even need a DSLR camera. Phone these days take amazing photos. This is the passive hustle, like upload once and earn forever. Number 13. Online surveys and product testing. Let's be honest, this won't make you rich, but if you are starting from zero and wants to earn a few bucks, then it's a great starting point. Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Toluna, and user testing will pay you for your opinion and feedbacks on products. It's simple, easy, and beginner friendly. Don't expect thousands, but couple $100 a month, and it's totally doable. Number 14. Becoming a ChatGPT prompt expert. Now this is the future. As AI become the bigger part of business, people need help using tools like ChatGPT effectively. That's where you come in. You learn how to craft powerful prompts that get real results for writing, marketing, coding, and content creation, then sell that skill. You can offer these services on Fiverr or create prompt bundle for Gumroad or even teach others how to use AI in their work. It's still new and getting in early give you a big advantage. So there you have it, the 14 best side hustles to start in 2026. Look, you don't need to do all of them. Just pick one that matches your interest and go deep on it. Give it time, stay consistent, learn and adapt. And I promise the life you dream about is possible, but only if you take action. So, thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.